Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe a famous athlete you know. So let's begin with the cue card. Describe a famous athlete you know. You have to cover the following cues when you speak on this cue card. Who he or she is. How do you know him or her? What has he or she achieved? And explain why he or she is famous. Now let's begin with this sample answer for this cue card. Well, I know a lot about sports persons and I regularly take part in sports activities due to my interest. Here, I would like to talk about a very famous athlete whose name is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is not only the captain of Indian cricket team but also currently the most popular cricketer in the world. He started his career at a very young age. Throughout his career, he has made several records by establishing new milestones and also has broken the previous records. I have to say Kohli became the fastest player to score 10,000 runs by breaking Sachin Tendulkar's record. At the same time, he has become the third player to score maximum centuries in cricket in such a short span of his career. Due to his achievements and game, he is one of the highest paid athletes in the world. If I talk about his fitness level and training regime, he does regular workouts and eats up to 6 meals. He spends hours in the gym to stay fit and active, which helps him improve his game performance. He is also a very kind-hearted individual because he regularly donates money to charities for the welfare of society. I am a die-hard fan of Virat Kohli, so I never miss any of his matches. I follow him on Instagram where he usually shares his daily activities like training and workout, which motivates many people to do the same. Overall, he is an excellent cricketer who has provided enough recognition to India around the world. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at the follow-ups of this cue card that can be asked in the exam. Let's begin with them. The very first one is, what characteristics do you think an athlete should have? There are many characteristics that sports person should possess. An athlete should be fit and active because they need to be fast and have good stamina. Then, their motivational level should always be high. Without encouragement, a team cannot perform well. So, players should have a sense of motivation. Next question is, why are there so few top athletes? I would say there are a small number of successful sports persons because not everyone is willing to hard work. Achieving the top position is not easy, as it requires a lot of consistency, struggle, and patience. They also have to overcome various challenges and need to upgrade their skills. Therefore, a few individuals attain that level. Next question is, what's the best way to become a top athlete? Well, it's a tough question. I believe the best way to become a top sports person is to consistently practice every day with the help of a coach. The mentor can assist in figuring out the major mistakes and can provide physical as well as mental support, which is very crucial to keep the spirits high. Moreover, they should have the willpower to work every day so they can master their skill. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. We also live on social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you for being here.